Alright, YouTube, this is what you can cook in this game. Alright, on a stove. Alright, type in the word pig. I'm not sure if they will all work, but alright, just kill a pig. Just say knife. Knife. Use a weapon knife. Stabbing. Now his ham. Now you can cook the ham. And now you got some ham. Alright, next, chicken. Just chicken. A regular ordinary chicken. But not chicken food, the bird. Just cook them and you will get 1 or 2 turkeys. Mostly 2. And then you get some then you got your chicken. Wow, this is the greatest sighting ever. Alright. Alright, next, put in squid. This is pretty amazing. Put this squid on the stove and it turns into onion rings, okay? Now put a fish, not the food fish. Now put it on. Then you got a nice fish. So, yeah. So you can also cook those up. And then you could eat them.
Nothing, I'm just tired.
I'm gonna watch your video.
Huh?
Apparently this guy loves it. Watch him. So, yeah.